Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can blog to someone on LinkedIn. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to open the LinkedIn app. So after opening the LinkedIn app, as you can see now, simply we have to go to the message section. I'm going to click on the message section. And after clicking on the message section, now simply what we have to do, we have to choose the text, that which text you want to block. For example, which user you want to block. I want to block this one. So we have to click on this. And now simply we have to click on these three dot options. And after clicking on these three dot options, now simply you will be able to see the report and block option. So we have to click on that. And as you can see, now we have to choose the reason. For example, I'm going to choose this one here. And now as you can see, now you have to choose this one here. For example, I'm going to choose this. And now this contact will be blocked. So in this way, you can block to someone on the LinkedIn. I hope you guys understand this video. So see you in the next video.